Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your social media presence with Instagram. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by evaluating your current Instagram profile. Take a close look at your bio and ensure it clearly represents who you are. Use a professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Incorporate relevant keywords in your bio to enhance discoverability. Next, create a consistent theme for your posts. Choose a color palette and stick to it for your images. Incorporate similar filters for a unified aesthetic. Post high-quality visuals to grab attention and engage your audience. Step 3 is to optimize your content strategy. Determine the type of content your audience resonates with most. Utilize Instagram stories to share behind-the-scenes moments and daily updates. Engage with your audience through polls and questions in your stories. Explore posting at different times of day to find your optimal engagement window. Next, increase your interaction with followers. Respond promptly to comments and messages to build relationships. Consider hosting giveaways or contests to encourage engagement and shares. Collaborate with other creators or brands to reach a broader audience. Use hashtags strategically in your posts. Research trending hashtags relevant to your niche and include a mix of popular and niche ones. Regularly analyze your insights to understand what works best. Lastly, promote your Instagram account across other platforms. Share your Instagram handle in your email signature and on your other social media profiles. Consider creating compelling content that encourages cross-platform sharing. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to upgrading your social media presence on Instagram. Stay consistent, keep experimenting, and adapt to changes in your audience's preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.